Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Went for another bike ride today. Beautiful weather. Had a great group of guys. Went out, rode about 40 miles or so. They typically like to do a little bit more miles than I do, but I did 40 and called it a day. Beautiful weather, great riding time of the year. Looking at my portfolio, however, I wasn't doing so hot last week. Actually, I was making some gains throughout the early part of the week, and then on Friday, that surprise announcement by the Fed really tanked my stocks here. The market overall fell about 2 to 2.5%, depending on which index you're looking at. The Dow Jones went down over 400 points, and it really hit dividend yielding stocks hard. And the majority of my portfolio is these high dividend yielding stocks. I was a little bit lucky. I've been engaged in this strategy to capture some dividends from high yield bond funds. I know a lot of you guys think this is silly, but again, a new investor, new to the Robinhood platform. I thought I'd go in and try to do this strategy. I've heard about this. Some folks have had some success with this, so I'm trying to replicate that here. So I said I was a little bit fortunate because this particular fund only fell about 0.85% while the market fell 2.5%. Typically bonds are a little bit more resistant. But it's a little bit of a complex environment because the interest rate is also going up, which is going to have a negative impact on these funds. So I'm really not quite sure what to do with this. You can see here it's down a bit of money here. And I can't really get rid of this at the moment. It's down about $41. I've only made about $15 or $16 back on my dividends. So if I would sell this now, I would lose some money. But again, I would buy the next bond fund and capture that dividend. The ex-dividend date for the next fund in my series is coming up on Tuesday. So we'll definitely have to get out of this on Monday and buy that other fund. So we'll kind of see what I do with that. But I think I might just play it easy a bit here over the next few days to kind of see what the market does, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Typically do a video about buying some new securities that you guys have suggested, but I think I'm going to take it a little bit easy this week, just kind of see where the stocks go. I think it might be a great opportunity to add to some of my positions that I already have, as well as doing something like this. I had a video before about these here we go, these funds that can short the market, ETFs that short the market. So as you know, in Robinhood, you can't really short stocks in a traditional fashion, but you can buy into these stock funds that basically perform inversely to the market. So you can see this one here, Pro Share Short QQQ. It actually went up 2.5%, and this is basically replicating the Dow. So Dow went down 2.5, this fund went up 2.5. And there's various funds like this. This ultra short here performed very well, up 7.5%. So if you were a gambler, you could have bought this last week and you would have made 7.5%. Sell this off quick, made a nice little profit. I may do that, again, just having a little bit of fun. I know that's not a viable long-term investing strategy, but I might do that, have a little bit of fun. So yeah, not a lot to talk about today. I'm not going to do another stock picking video today just because I don't want to really jump into the market on Monday and buy anything. I may do a few limit orders on some of my stocks that I already have positions in, see if I can add to those positions. I've bought 2 or 3 grand sitting on the sidelines right now that I may take advantage and try to pick up some stocks a little bit more cheaply than I have in the past. But again, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. Valuations are at all-time highs. The Fed is most likely going to be increasing the interest rate next week. They may even do it before the end of the year again, so that may have some impact on the market. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to continue with my bond fund strategy here. It's a little bit more protected against market variability, fluctuations, if you will, and maybe add to some of my positions here. So yeah, tell me what you guys are doing with your portfolios. Are you going to add some cheap stocks or cheaper stocks to your portfolio? Or are you going to kind of sit on the sidelines with your excess cash? You're going to invest into bonds like I have? Not sure what to do. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. As always, if you could subscribe, that's really beneficial to the channel here, really beneficial to me. I really appreciate that. Up to almost 50 subscribers, I think around 100 or so, if we do get up that high. Looking a little bit optimistically in the future here, I'm going to do a special video, maybe give out a gift card or something else. I know a lot of other YouTubers have done this, so I might go ahead and do that. But otherwise, leave me a few comments, give me a thumbs up, tell me what you're buying, what your strategy is over the next week or so. And yeah, until then, we'll see you guys next time.